What's going on, boys and girls? Round 2, we are doing another car meet video. I have some clothes there, it's pretty disgusting, sorry. Haven't really shown you guys around my room, but it's disgusting right now. So we're gonna be doing a round 2 car meet. I'm really excited. We're gonna be going at this again. I know I've been coming out with a lot of car meet videos, but you guys just have to understand, like, it's just been so much fun. I've been having a lot of fun the last couple of weeks. If you guys are here for the first time, please hit that sub button and please hit the like button down below, guys. As soon as you guys start watching this video, I really appreciate it. That's the stock wheels, right? Aren't those Yankees? Are those Yankees? Ooh, that looks hard. Oh, dude, you see that 410? That 410 looks kind of cool. It looks like a Ford, huh? Very close. I like them.
They're like 14 ones.
Evo STI, bro. I don't know. That Evo's hard. I know. I'm just saying. I know, but I'm just saying I think the Evo's better. Yeah. What? His intake? Oh, yeah. That's fucking cool. I didn't see that. Intake, boys. Damn, look at this SI. I think it's clean. Damn, I think it's clean, huh? That's a clean SSI. Look at that paint, though. Look at that fucking paint, man. That's a clean SI. Who's it? Whoever. Bro. Rip to me, boys. Rip to me. Let me get it fixed soon. That's what I want. Should I get it? Should I get a Supra?
Your one has one that's like half broken. I think you can get nice. I like the wheels, like that color.
I was gonna get this blue, but I didn't. I thank God I didn't. Yeah, I don't like it. Very close, huh? I like those. Those are cool. There's too much going on. There's way too much going on here.
This is the next breaker.
See, this is look. You see the difference?
Yeah.
Against
what is this one?
that's the Lancer.
Okay, so there's Lancer.
There's the Lancer.
Rally-R.
There's the Lancer GT, and then there's the Lancer. Well, that's the newer one, the GT. I had the Lancer GTS. Then there's the Rally-Rs, and then there's the Evos, the GSR, and then there's the MR. The GSRs are the stick shift. The MRs are the 6-speed dual clutch. Well, it's not 6-speed, it's just dual clutch. It's kind of dark, but this Evo is sick. Oh, bro. We're at another meet, by the way, guys. We went to another meet. We drove a little bit to come out here and see what was out here. Hey, we're next to my SI. Let's get it. Ooh. That's a clean Evo too. What does it say underneath? Nothing? Bro, you gotta get something, bro. Ooh, those are hard rims. Nice. Bro, you're washed? Oh, you got the intercooler showing? That's fucking hard, dude.
Thanks, man. Man, I'm gonna call John real quick and be like, open your car.
Hey. Oh, you got it? I didn't think you were gonna make it, bro.
Nah, dude, it's not that high.
All right. It's clean, man. Sorry guys, I didn't get to do an outro. I just wanted to say thanks for coming by and watching the video. Please hit the like button down below and the subscribe if you haven't already. See if we can get this video to 30 likes. I think that might be possible. Hit the like button down below, please. I really appreciate it. And hit the subscribe button like I said before. Thanks for coming by. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.